Ladies and gentlemen, the time is now.
Crystal TGFS right here. So guys, if you have been following me on Instagram or YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, on Twitter, I'm CrystalTG.fs or CrystalTGFS. So guys, if you know me very well, I don't like complicated things. So gold was in a massive uptrend before we have this downtrend here. So what happened here? Let's go straight to the point. We have a change of character from uptrend, taking out this low here. We have over low here. Then what do you have here? Lower high. Fail to make lower low here. Then make a fade high. Fail to create new high. You understand? Then we have another break of structure. So what do you see in the market now? We have a low here, lower high, lower low already. So now this is our break of structure, and the rule says after your break of structure you have to look for your liquidity, then wait for the market to tap into your point of interest before selling. So what do you see here? A break of structure, and this is the break of structure and a pullback, which is our inducement liquidity right now. So you can see clearly that since this break that happened here, after this inducement, market has not tapping into this zone. So this zone is unmitigated. We are waiting for the market to come into this zone for us to sell it. But right now, it has not gotten there, and we have series of consolidation happening here. So we have been trading around this consolidation. Nothing has really happened like on the bigger time frame yet. This is just consolidation. So I want to break this consolidation down to you guys, so you can be anticipating on what to do when market gets to these zones I'm going to show you guys now. So this is a bigger time frame view. So what we have here right now, like what I'm looking at for, this is a break of structure, pullback. So I'm looking to sell from here, and currently I see market make a low here. This is the last low. Then we have what? Lower high. Fail to create a new low. That's to tell you what? Failure to create a new low. That means we are looking to the upside. Then we have a higher high here, taking out this previous lower high. That's to tell you that the direction of the market has changed. Then what happened? Market created liquidity here, came back to clear the liquidity. That's how I got this buy from this other block around here. If you check it on the lower time frame, you see it like on the 15 minutes. I can't go down to 15 minutes, it will scatter my chart. So I bought from here. That's how you see this buy. Then if you look deeply on the lower time frame, you see a break of structure, a change of character here, change of character from this uptrend that was happening here, like this movement that was happening here. We have this high, low, lower high, break, inducement, market tapping into this your buy. This is a buy to sell. Then you bought from here, then the market came into this zone again. What do? You see this sell? Yeah, that almost took me out, but it did not. So we sold back to this place. I was expecting it to come to tap to this zone, but it failed and later pulled back. So I'm still expecting market to come into this zone. So what am I expecting right now? Is either market come from this zone here to tap me in for me to buy to this point, or market go from here, tap me in into this here, then I'll sell back to clear all this liquidity, then buy from here again. So I'm looking at for two things right now, two major things. Either if the market from this place, this is the current market value right now. So if from this place, if the market comes to the upside first, I will sell. If it comes to the downside first, I will buy. So that's the two things I'm looking at on this market right now. That's the two major things I'm looking at for right now. A major sell here or this buy, because we have a change of character to the upside, then we must tap into this zone before we have a buy that can break this zone. Yeah, if I'm not tapping into this zone, I'm going to sell from here. But if the market first of all tap me into this zone for me to buy from here, I'm going to be anticipating the market to break this zone. But if the market tap me into this sell first, I'm anticipating the market to come down to this zone, then I will buy. So that's what I'm looking out for. Generally, gold is uptrend, so you have to have that in back of your mind that we are in uptrend.